So in daily, GBP is sideways. Yesterday also doji candle. Today also it might make a doji, and day after tomorrow it can give a breakdown or breakout. But we won't trade Wednesday as our plans. In 4 hour, very choppy wicks everywhere. From here, downtrend, then gave a breakout, pullback. Here the strength of sellers is fading, but there is not a directional telling that yeah buyers are back in control or sellers are back in control. Here it has been sideways for a while, not looking good. Even if I will go half quantity. Only good part is that it has been sideways for more than 2 hours, so it can give a breakout, but we don't have a clear direction for the day. If we talk about daily, yeah, it is still sideways, so we don't have a clear direction. Over here it gave a breakdown, but the seller again, the buyers got active, gave a breakout structure, then retested this order block, but still in the zone of the order block retesting. And okay, so 50 minutes is looking good. I was not by seeing the higher time frame, I was not planning to trade, but in 15 minutes it looked like we can take a upside trade with half quantity. We have a 15-minute order block over here. So and in 5 minute, okay, if it gives a 5 minute breakout, then 5 minute order block or 15-minute order block we will trade with 1 minute breakout structure and half quantity, or even less than half quantity, maybe one third quantity, not more than half. Euro. So Euro is bearish. Yesterday made a inverted hammer, and it can continue for the downside. Overall trend is also bearish. You can see the trend line over here. Retest, retest, pullback, then retest, and now it can. The daily targets are very huge, somewhere around over here till there, and 4 hour, yeah, still the sellers are in control. Here the buyers tried but failed. Then here one pullback, we have an order block over here. It might not get retested, but in hourly, okay, the strength is there. This candle is good, not great. It if it would have closed below this swing, then it would have been better. In 30 minutes, yeah, great. For a 30-minute breakdown, retested the order block. 15 minute, that this can be a good manipulation. Actually, we are looking for buys in GBP, so I might not trade GBP. And this can be a good manipulation. I might just continue for the higher side, but I need a breakdown. So we have a good level which we can trade, which is this. A breakdown over here. It is, there was a IFVG over here. If this candle makes an inverted hammer, then it would be a great trade. I can go with full quantity. We have a 3 minute swing over here that also we can trade. So we are bearish in euro. I might not trade GBP. Let's see. So 5 minute breakout structure or 3 minute breakout structure. If it goes in a flow, then I will enter somewhere around here when the breakout structures happen. Otherwise, we will wait for retest and 1 minute breakout structure. Extremely bullish. Maybe some news. No news. So extremely bullish. Almost retested the. Okay, not yet. If it retests the daily. Okay, 4 hour. This is a good pattern. I like the this candle closed weak, but the next candle, if it would have closed over here, then it would have been much better. But fine. In 4 hour, current candle looks like doji. Hourly yet not gave a breakout over here. 30 minutes, nope. We have an order block over here, but there is still time. Almost retested the order block. If it would have closed above the swing, that would have been a good place to trade. With current conditions, I don't think I can go with full quantity because already the momentum has happened from here to here, and now it can go sideways all day. If it doesn't give a breakout, then it's not. It can sweep London highs and then reverse, so it is not a very high probability trade. In 30 minutes, it almost retested the order block. Let's see, smaller time frame. Continuous candle, no pullback, so I'm not sure. Confusing. Even if I will go half quantity. Here, FEG got retested, so yeah, technically it is bullish. 5 minute order block also got retested this zone, so yeah, we can trade as per our analysis. I'm not confident. It doesn't look great. It's fine. JPY. I'll go with half quantity. 5 minute breakout structure and 1 minute breakout structure. So our swing over here, yeah, that would be fine. So gold looking great. Daily it filled the gap. Looking extremely bearish. No wick at the top. And daily overall trend is, yeah, so the trend changed over here for the buy for positive, but it retested the FVG, so it might reverse from here. Overall daily trend is negative, but doesn't look great because overall trend is bullish, but the daily trend is negative. So there is an imbalance which I don't like. I might go two third or a little over half quantity. So breakdown, doji candle, 1 hour. Nice. So we have a good place which we can trade in 30 minutes. Yeah, this is a good place to enter. We can trade this FVG, and in 15 minutes, same level, 5 minute. If it gives a 5 minute breakdown, then we can still go full quantity because that will show the strength. But then it can reverse act as a magnet, then continue. So we will go half quantity if it gives a break of structure and retest. If it retests the FVG, then we can go full quantity. So XAU, FVG full quantity, and 5 minute break of structure and 1 minute break of structure, half quantity, half or two third, we will see as per the candle strength. Okay, so NQ overall trend over here bearish pullback. This was a good breakout, but then the next day reverse. So it is bearish. Technically, it retested the daily order block. 4 hour. And the buyer strength is not there. The current candle is looking very strong. It can make a good breakdown from here. These candles are okay, not very strong. You can see this two candle was so strong, but this momentum didn't catch up to the trend. So it is still bearish, amazing hourly, but there is still half an hour. So we can trade this half an hour order block. Market is about to open, so let's do the analysis first. This order block 15 minute, same 5 minute. Yeah, that's the one we will trade. 3 minute, 1 minute, same. Yeah, so that's the plan. Let's see. Market is open. Gold. We got the retest in NQ. Just need a 1 minute break of structure and we can enter. I might. Maybe not a great entry, but I took an entry. Let's see. I might get stopped out in NQ. I entered. Let's open other chart first. So seems like we might get one trade in gold if it gives the 1 minute break of structure in the zone. We already made 1:3. I am leaving a small quantity over here. And yesterday I also took a trade. It was a losing day. I didn't record. And we booked the 1:3 in NQ. I am leaving this. This is a free quantity. Either we will make something or it will turn out to be a break even. So there is nothing to lose. And 1 minute break of structure. Other pairs have moved in the opposite direction. So it doesn't matter anymore. I will hold this one in 5 minutes. I am trailing somewhere around here. It might get stopped out, but fine. It will be, doesn't matter. It is a very small quantity. And yeah, 1 minute break of structure in gold, and I might enter. So we can leave NQ for now. It doesn't matter anymore. In gold, let's see the strength so we can decide how much quantity we want to go. So you can see in 15 minutes, the strength is there for the upside. It is strong. It can make a 5 minute. Yeah, you can see the breakout is very strong. In 1 minute, the candle is about to close. So I might wait for a break of structure over here for a confirmation, because otherwise it, so okay, we got stopped out in NQ and our net balance is 2%. And other pairs, as you can, let me show you. So we were planning for buys, it went down, so it doesn't matter anymore. And same euro, it went up, and we were already not planning to trade this one, so it doesn't matter. Only trade we might get is in gold. If it gives, I don't think we will get a trade because the momentum is strong for the upside. It might make a IFVG unless it confirms that it is not making a IFVG. I'll wait because we already made a good profit and we don't need to risk anymore. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, the momentum is for the upside. It will make a FVG over here, so we are not gonna trade. So our final balance is 512. We are up 2%. We just need to make another 3%. And tomorrow is Wednesday, so we won't trade tomorrow. See you on Thursday. Bye.